Have you ever wondered what Korean fried chicken tastes like? Well, wonder no longer, because here in the city of Denver, we have found some delicious Korean fried chicken. Check it out here in a second. What's going on, everyone? It's Josh, and I'm back with another episode of Man vs. Camera. So, in today's episode, we're going to try something new. We're going to roll out Josh's restaurant rating system. We're going to start rating the food that we eat on a scale of 1 to 5. So, give it a look. Tell us what you think. So, for this today's restaurant that we're going to rate, we went to go check out Angry Chicken. We've discovered this restaurant before, and we thought it was great. It's Korean fried chicken. You know, they use rice breading to bread the chicken, and that gets nice and crispy, crispier than you can get with fried bread. And the chicken stays nice and juicy, the way chicken should be. We got some tteokbokki, looks delicious. Army stew. Ooh. This stuff looks great. Then, what everybody comes for, the chicken. Ooh. Spicy soy, sweet and spicy. Honey garlic, sweet and spicy is pretty good. But I think today, we're trying the angry sauce. Oh, that looks amazing.
Yours is we exchange, so I can try yours. But I don't
Here goes the angry sauce chicken. Let's see what everybody else got. So Cherry got some original chicken. Great. And Emily has honey garlic chicken. Woo. So Angry Chicken here uses this nice rice breading, so it's nice and crunchy.
Crunchy.
All right, so we're going to try the angry sauce chicken. Let's see. Oh, this is delicious. You can taste the spice. It's kind of like one of those creeping ones. It's kind of one of those creeping ones, but it's delicious. It's so good, though. I love it.
Juiceo.
Oh no, it's not that bad. It definitely has some spice to it. It has a kick, but it's livable. Like, believe me, I'm not saying it's not spicy. I'm just saying that it's livable. It's not gonna kill you. Whew, good stuff, guys. I love it. Hold up a second. Did you all think that for this restaurant rating system we were only going to rate one restaurant? No! In fact, after we got the Korean fried chicken, we went over to this place called Snowl. They got boba, they got desserts. We're rating them too, buddy.
That is so cute. What else you got? Or pistachio or no? Yeah, mine is pistachio. That is so cute.
Kawaii. Did those restaurants look delicious? I bet they did. They sure tasted delicious. So you all got to try out our restaurant rating system. 2 in 1. But that's not all. We also went to go check out some bowling for little Clark's birthday party. You remember him dancing up on the truck behind me at my birthday? Good seeing everyone. And thanks for the gifts.
Thank you.
What's going on, buddy?
Oh man.
Oh, you got bowling shoes on, Gabe. That's so cool. What's that you got in your hand there, Gabe? What do you got in your hand? So close! So close! That's fun. You can do this! Good night, Gabe. All in all, we had a blast. We had good food. We had a good fun time out bowling with friends. It was a good time. I can't complain. I hope y'all enjoyed it as well. If y'all want to see more of these videos, rating food, seeing good things to eat here, seeing things to do here in Denver, give the video a like, subscribe down below. Let us know in the comments how we're doing. Let us know if there's places you'd like to see, if there's maybe a restaurant you've been thinking about that you'd like to have us guinea pig before you check it out. We can totally do that. I love food, if that's not a surprise to any of y'all. Otherwise, that's all we have for this video. So we'll catch you all in the next video. But for now, it's me. This is camera phone. And this is man versus camera. Catch you next time.